Mr. Payne, want to welcome you to PrintingNews.com here at the Graph Expo 2012, and Eastman Kodak's been growing and growing. What do you see for the future of digital and offset printing worldwide?
Well, Roger, first, thanks for having me on. Graph Expo, obviously a good show to be here, and certainly after being a drooper, so bring it to the American marketplace. Clearly, when you look at the printing business, we see the world being a hybrid world as we move forward. We see certainly electronic communications taking a broader role in terms of ongoing daily interactions with customers. We went from PCs to laptops to tablets now to smartphones, where information is ubiquitous on a daily basis. We really see print playing a pivotal role in how the industry makes the daily interaction that people have with their devices more meaningful and helps commerce. Let me give you a couple of examples. For years we've been using catalogs. We send a catalog to you, you get it, you read it, probably your wife actually, and she looks at some things she likes, she goes onto the web and she orders it. And that has been ongoing for at least a decade now. In the future, those magazines will get more personalized. You'll probably already seen them. If you're into sailing or golf, you're getting the specific things from LL Bean or other catalogs addressed to your interest. That will get more targeted as we move forward. They'll learn more about you. Take book publishing. We see offset and digital coexisting. Offset doing the longer run, digital doing the short runs. That's already out there today. We'll see more of that as we move forward. Another example's in the packaging area. Long runs, short runs, and then obviously the ability to do barcoding on the package is very, very critical. So we see offset and digital coexisting, and we see certainly all of those things working, print and the internet or information technology together, where print is helping both the consumer and the business who's trying to communicate extract more value out of the overall communications chain.
You did mention electronic communications. What do you see for the future of that as far as Kodak is concerned?
We see it being a great opportunity for this industry, as I described. And we clearly see it going much further in the future. We see the point where printing, take a package you get in the store. Today it has all of the things, whether it be the advertising for the product and the ingredients list for the product, the health facts for the product. In the future, we see that going further. We see the package becoming smart, and the package either talking to your smartphone or device or signaling to you, or even at home, signaling that the package is almost going out of date or it's running low of the goods that are inside it. So we see a lot of changes as we move forward in all of the different applications of print, and we see that's where the opportunity is. Print will evolve to enrich the experience for all the end users of print.
How is Kodak taking the entire marketplace as far as the changing technologies? What's your take on that as far as the future?
So if you look at the commercial group within Kodak, we're really poised to take advantage of all the trends that I've just talked about. For decades, we've been involved in deposition technologies, materials, and imaging science. And we can bring all those together to create printing solutions that help in a very hybrid world. We have our inkjet product line that's really both, we're putting in printing heads in 4-color on printing presses. We have color printing presses that are doing books and direct mail and catalogs, and increasingly they go faster, and we're seeing those in shops beside offset. And obviously we have a long history in offset. Our square spot technology, which is the thing that provides the quality of our offset plates and has been around for 20 or 30 years, is key to the future, we believe. That technology we've deployed in our packaging line, our Flexo line, and driving that with our Flex LNX to increase and enrich the packaging experience that a brand has with their goods. And then you start adding digital printer, there's a lot of things that we can do that will help printers in this hybrid world take advantage of the opportunities that we've talked about.
Excellent. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much,
being
Roger,
here.
for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great.